Good morning, Taimina Khan is here in TKMaths is Fun. In today's video, which is video number 3 on map scale, we will study area. In the previous two videos, we have seen map scale in terms of length. So now let's see what does this mean. Now, for example, you are sitting right now in a room. You can look around you. There are walls, right? So when we are talking about certain things, we say area. So I can say what is the area of the wall? What is the area of the floor? So in certain things you have to talk in terms of area, not always in terms of length, right? So if I want to draw some very big ground, suppose this is my ground, right? And it has this area very big. For example, it is 50 square kilometer. Then how will I draw it on the map? So this is what we will study now with the help of a scale. So let's see here. A map is drawn to a scale of 1 is to 20,000. We have seen in the previous video, when it is written like this, it means both map and ground unit is given in centimeter. Find the actual area in kilometer. Basically, it will be square kilometer, right? Of a field whose area on the map is 5 square centimeter. So what is the scale given to us? Map is to ground, 1 is to 20,000. But I have to find out actual area on the ground in terms of square kilometer. Right now, the length area map scale is given. So first of all, let me change this ground scale, which is 20,000, into kilometer. So it will be what? When you change kilometer into centimeter, you divide by 100,000. Agreed? So how many zeros? 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it will be 0.2 kilometer. So 1 centimeter will be equals to 0.2 kilometer. In part 1, if on the map you have an area which is 5 square centimeter, then what will it be in what? On the ground. But there is a problem. What is that problem? The problem is I want this area in square kilometer, and this map is 5 square centimeter. But what is here? It's not area. It's simple length, centimeter and kilometer. So what should we do first? Absolutely right. We have to change this into unit of area. So what I will do, I will square both of them. Okay. So now it will become map is to ground as 1 square is 1. I'm talking about this. And centimeter square is square centimeter. What is 0.2 square? Suppose I also don't know, and calculator is not allowed, so you can multiply it like this. Decimal is after 2 digits, one from here, one from here, so it will come here. So this, it means this is equals to 0.04 square kilometer. Now I got this scale in area. Here I can write now 5 square centimeter, and what is this equal to, which I have to calculate. So you understand the difference. Why it was not possible here? Because the scale was given in centimeter and kilometer, and on the map square meter area is given and square kilometer is asked. So you must have a scale also in square unit. Now you can do cross multiplication. X times 1 is x, 5 times 0.04. Now if you don't know, what will you do? 0.04 times 5. So it will be equals to 0.2, and what will be the unit? Absolutely right, it is on this side in ground, so it is a square kilometer. You understood? Similarly for 18 and 75. So instead of 5, you will write 18 here and then 75, and you will get the answer. So let's do it quickly. For part 2, if I'm changing the color, if I will do here 18, so what it will be? We will write down the scale first of all. I'm writing this line again, and now here I will write 18, and this one I don't know, let me write B. So I will cross multiply, so 18 times 0.04. So you can multiply it, you know how to multiply. I'm writing here the answer directly, okay? Give me a second. So it is 0.72 square kilometer. And for part 3, again I will use the same scale because it is the same question. 1 square centimeter, this is a square centimeter, and this is a square kilometer. Now it is 75 this time. We can use any letter. Cross multiply. Let me do cross multiplication for you in case if you don't know the decimal multiplication. 5 4s are 5 zeros are 0 plus 2, 5 zeros are 0. 7 4s are 28. What did you get? Decimal is after 2 digits, so it will be here, right? So this is equals to 3 square kilometer. I hope you understood. This answer is for part C, this is for part B, and this is for part A. So now you can put the video on pause and try out yourself this question. So this is the last question of the video. So let's see. Given that 4 centimeter on a map represent 3 kilometer on the ground. So map is 4 centimeter. Map is given in centimeter, and ground is given in kilometer. Calculate the square centimeter area, and now he's giving you square centimeter when the square kilometer on the actual ground is given to you. So when this is 27, what is this? This is they are asking, right? Calculate in square centimeter the area of a town council on a map, given that it is equal to 27 kilometers. Now how will I do this? First of all, I need to change this scale into square centimeter and square kilometer. Then I can write it underneath. Right now I cannot write here x and here 27. I can't do that because 27 is actually square kilometer, and this I have to find like this. So I can't do it right now. So first of all, let's square the scale. This is centimeter and this is kilometer. So when you will square, it will become 16 square centimeter, and this is 9 square kilometer. And it is already given to you that on the ground it is 27 square kilometer, and what it is on the map. So you will do cross multiplication here. Okay, so it is 9 times x is equals to 16 times 27. Then x is equals to 16 times 27 divided by 9, and you can easily cancel it. 9 times 1 is 9, 9 times 3 is 27, and then 16 multiplied by 3, 48. And what unit will come here? Absolutely right, because we are talking about the area on the map, so it is square centimeter. So I hope you understood this question. Let me see if there is any other question. Yes, one more question. So you can try this out and then write your solution in the comments, and I will tell you it is right or not. Thank you. Take care.